Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets precision and expertise. Have you ever wished for a bold eyeliner that could take you from day to night with a perfect stroke every time? Well, today, we're looking at a product that promises to do just that. The Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. This isn't just any eyeliner. It comes in a sleek pencil form, offering the convenience of both a gel liner on one end and a liquid liner on the other. The semi-matte finish promises to give your eyes that dramatic yet smooth look, perfect for all your makeup moods. So let's dive in and see if this dual-ended liner lives up to the hype. The Tarte Double Take Eyeliner is designed for versatility. On one end, you have a gel pencil liner, which is super creamy and blendable. It delivers intense color with one swipe and works wonderfully for creating softer, smudged-out looks or more defined lines. On the other end, you have a liquid liner, which offers precision with its fine tip applicator. The liquid formula dries to a semi-matte finish, giving you that chic, bold look without the shine of a glossy liner. The formula is infused with skin-loving ingredients like vitamin E, making it not only great for long-lasting wear, but also for sensitive eyes. It's ophthalmologist-tested, which means it's suitable for those with contact lenses or sensitive eyes, something we don't often see in many high-performance eyeliners. As for real-world testing, I put this eyeliner through its paces during a full day at work, running errands, and even through a sweaty gym session. The gel pencil side was easy to apply, no tugging, just smooth application, and I could either smudge it out for a smoky eye or leave it crisp for a clean, defined look. The liquid side was equally impressive, with its fine tip allowing me to draw a sharp cat eye or a more delicate line along my lash line. Both sides stayed in place throughout the day with minimal smudging, even in the heat. Now let's break it down. Pros: dual-ended design offers versatility for different eye looks. Long-lasting wear, even through sweat and humidity. Blendable pencil formula, great for building up the intensity or creating a softer, smudged effect. Ophthalmologist-tested and suitable for sensitive eyes. Semi-matte finish adds a modern, polished look. Cons: the pencil liner can be a bit soft, so it might need sharpening more often. While the liquid liner is precise, it can be a little tricky for beginners due to the fine tip. For those who prefer a glossy finish, this might feel too matte. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's a solid investment. Given the dual-ended design, you're essentially getting two liners in one. It's a great option if you want both a gel and liquid eyeliner, but don't want to clutter your makeup bag. The price is on the higher side, but considering Tarte's clean beauty reputation and the versatility of the product, it's not out of line. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, the NYX Epic Wear Liner Stick and the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Wing Liquid Liner are both great options that deliver similar performance without breaking the bank. Now, as we wrap things up, is this eyeliner worth your time? Absolutely. If you're someone who likes versatility, precision, and a smudge-free look all day, the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner is definitely a product to consider. It's perfect for anyone who loves to experiment with different eyeliner styles or needs something reliable for their daily routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've tried the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any tips you might have for creating the perfect eye look. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.